Next equipment used in mixing is a ribbon blender. Okay. In the last class we have seen about twin shell blender and double cone blender. This is the third one, that is ribbon blender. Okay. The mechanism of this ribbon blender, before seeing the mechanism, just look at the apparatus of the ribbon blender. Ribbon blender looks like this. It's having a cylindrical shell or a cylindrical vessel is present. Inside it we have blades present. Okay, we have blades present, and the movement of blades causes the mixing of material. Okay, this is the ribbon blender principle. The mechanism of mixing here is shear. What do you mean by shear? Shear is nothing but the tearing of material apart and then mixing it. Okay. First, whenever the word shear means a kind of pressure which causes the tearing of the material or breaking down of the material and mixing of the material. Okay. This is called as shear. The shear is transferred to powder bed by moving blades in a fixed movable shell. Shear is transferred matlab a pressure is transferred to the moving bed by moving blades in a fixed movable shell. In a shell, blades are present and blades causes the shear, that is the force or a pressure which causes the mixing of the material. High shear rate are effective in breaking lumps and aggregate. Whenever the more pressure is applied, more effective the breaking of lumps and aggregate take place. Okay. Convective mixing may also occur and an equilibrium state of mixing can be achieved. Whenever the word convective mixing means a complete inversion of bed of powder take place. मतलब a complete moving of the powders from the downward to the upward take place. It is called as convective mixing. So convective mixing can also occur and an equilibrium state of mixing can be achieved by using the convective mixing phenomena. Okay, the principle is mechanism of mixing is shear. Shear is transferred to a powder bed by moving blades or ribbon shaped blades in a fixed movable shell. High shear rates are effective in breaking lumps and aggregates. Convective mixing can be occur and an equilibrium state of mixing can be obtained or achieved. Construction. This is the ribbon blender. It's a ribbon blender. Ribbon blender is having a horizontal shell, horizontal cylinder is present, and it is fixed in a particular position. Okay, it's a horizontal cylinder. It is fixed in a particular particular position. It is at the center. It is having one shaft. Okay, one shaft or a raft is present. This is a shaft or a raft at the center of the cylinder, and to this shaft we have blades fixed, that is two helical blades, helical shape or crisscross shape blades are fixed to this between shaft. Okay, all along the equipment. Okay, now the blade has both the ends of the blades are present inside the cylinder only. Okay, now loading of the material will take place from the top. Whenever we open the lid, we load the material. After complete mixing or after complete operation of the mixing, the material can be discharged from the bottom. It is collected from the bottom. Okay, so it consists of a non-movable horizontal cylindrical shell, usually open at the top. It is fitted with the two helical blades which are mounted on the same shaft through long axis of the trough. The blade has both right end and the left hand and twisted. Okay, they are twisted. Ribbon blender is top loaded to loading and bottom discharge port. Trough can be closed with a lid. Trough means the cylinder can be closed with a lid. Now working through the fixed, now the center shaft is fixed to a speed drive. A particular speed is set so that the blades can rotate on that particular speed. Okay, so a particular speed is set here. Through the fixed speed drive, ribbons are allowed to rotate, or its ribbon blades are allowed to rotate. One blade moves the solid particles slowly in one direction, and other blade causes the moving of the particles quickly in the opposite direction. Matlab, one blade slowly causes the moving of particles in one direction, other blades causes the moving of particles in the opposite direction. Okay, so this causes the complete mixing of the material. Here the powders are reduced from the top of the trough, then body is closed completely so that dust should not evolve, and whenever in case of dry blending, dust should not evolve, and in case of wet blending, solvent should not evaporate. So to avoid that, we close the lid completely. The powders are kept at the center, okay, and they are placed at the center, and they are allowed to rotate, okay. By the counteraction of the blades, by the opposite action of the blade, a complete mixing, a complete breaking of the lumps or aggregate take place, okay. The powders, they are transferred from the one end to the other end. They are transferred from the one end to the other end. They are completely mixed, okay. The final stage, at the final stage, we see that a equilibrium is achieved. That is, all the mixture of the powder is completely mixed completely, and they are aggregates, lumps, whatever is there, they are completely broken. After complete mixing, it is then discharged from the bottom, okay. Uses, it is used majorly for wet solids, wet solid mass, and it is used for mixing finely divided solids. It is used for mixing solid and liquid mixture, solid and solid mixture, okay. So the advantages are, that is, high shear can be applied, okay. High shear or high pressure can be applied for mixing. And the disadvantages are poor mixer, because the movement of the mixing takes place in two directions, so a complete maintenance cost is there, and if any tearing of the blade causes contamination of the material, so we have some disadvantages also, okay. This is ribbon blender. Working to the fixed speed drive, ribbons are allowed to rotate. Ribbon blades are allowed to rotate. One blade moves the solid slowly in one direction, and another moves them quickly in opposite direction. Powders are introduced from the top of the trough, matlab cylinder. Body is covered so that considerable dust may be evolved during dry blending, and granulating solution may evaporate during wet blending. Powders are lifted centrally and allowed to cascade from the bottom of the container. The counteracting blades set up high shear and are effective in breaking lumps or aggregate. Helical blade move the powder from the one end to the other end. Final stage of the mixing represents equilibrium, and blend is discharged from the bottom. Uses, they are used for mixing divided solid, wet solid mass, used for solid and liquid, liquid and solid and solid, and solid and liquid, okay. High shear can be applied, and poor mixer, because movement is two dimensional. Then have fixed speed drive, that is, speed cannot be adjusted at the center of the ongoing operation. Fixed speed drive is there, so speed cannot be either lowered or highed, okay. So these are some of the disadvantages. This was about the ribbon blender.